This is the elevator at the Stadsmuseet, the Stockholm City Museum in Stockholm, Sweden. I'm not sure what this was originally. I'm going to assume this was something old, judging by the swing door and the door setup. But sadly, it got a generic modernization with the white round fixtures. The automatic swing door has a Besam automatic operator on it. It has 2 call ones on each floor, which is kind of weird. Also 2 panels inside the car. 3. If you press and hold that for a couple milliseconds, it'll close the door a lot faster than otherwise would. Otherwise it takes forever. It's a center opening inner door. Here you go. Here 3.
Plan 3.
Back down to 0. It's like rounded corners. The cab has rounded corners. It also has little spotlights. It's actually a pretty good sized cab. I think this is used both for passenger and for like goods. You know, this is the main side. That side has the phone.
Entré.
We're back at 0. Then that translates to entrance. Let's open up the door. It will take forever to close, and I'm not going to bother watching, so that's going to be it.